In this video, we do an RC car demolition derby. Oh! Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Alright guys, we're doing a destruction derby in the pit. Last car left running wins. Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh! You guys better be subscribing. Look, it even says it on there. I'm sacrificing the slash for you lot's entertainment. And our entertainment. Oh, pick on someone your own size. Oh, oh. Steve, you're missing out on the fun. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's still going. Destruction derby in here. Oh no! Another one's joined in. Steve, did you know we're playing destruction derby in here? Oh no! Oh no! Come on, in the bowl, in the bowl. Oh! I missed. Oh no! Let's get a different angle. Oh no, he's gonna do a wheel spin on there. Oh no! Oh, I'm rescuing mine. Oh! Nah, that still works. I'm not done, I want more.
I've got a sock full of sand for the
Stephen, rescue me. Oh, I'm not the last one left going. Hey, we got a rescuer. No, I'm stuck. Give me a nudge. Oh. You two, you both picking on me? Yeah. I don't need that. I might run on one. I might last on one time. Oh, mine's died. Oh, mine's died. Oh no, it hasn't died. It's still alive.
Oh dear. Oh, you cheeky little bastard.
I think my battery's flat, to be honest.
I'm coming out the steam.
Oh, that's all right. You go kind on each other. You go kind on each other. Pick on the little guy, why don't you?
That's how you win.
Oh, mine's done. Oh my God! Oh, do you want rescuing? Alright, I'm going to pick up all my bits.
That might take a while.
Oh, we got wheel, we got body, we got, oh, bumper's off.
That's what I said, you lost your bumper.
Yeah. Any more bits?
You probably lost some body clips.
Yeah, probably. Hopefully you'll get the YouTube view to pay for it. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, electrics! Oh!
Oh, I don't want to break that.
Guys, this is not clickbait, as you can tell. Was that fun?
The most amazing thing though is Sam's didn't break. Yeah.
And look, it still works. Just the battery's flat. Uh-oh.
You got a stick in it. Do you want me to do an elbow drop?
Go for it.
Oh, I missed. Elbow drop. God.
Oh! That sounded like diff, dude.
Yeah, it did.